do you hear something?
No.
No? I hear something. It's getting loud. Where is it? Hey!
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte.
My stomach wants some Mexican food. I haven't had Mexican food in such a long time. You know, I gotta get it. I gotta get the right spices, the right citrus. I gotta get it exactly the way it is back home. So that's what we're doing today. And I'm taking you guys with me to the grocery store so you can see, you know, all the sort of effort that's gonna go into this. But boy, is it gonna be worth it. I'm looking for pork collar.
Yeah.
You have?
Indonesian?
Oh no, not pork collar, pork shoulder.
Yeah, same.
Yeah? Okay, yeah, great. All right, thanks Rigo. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
See you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, thanks. All right, so we've been cooking for about 2 hours. We probably have another 2.5 to go. So I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna go earn these tacos because, yeah, because you got to. So let's see here. Back from the gym, all showered up. The pork is ready. I've already sort of see how easy it is to just take apart. It's so good. It's soaked up all the salt, cumin, oregano, onion, orange, pineapple. Just soak all those juices up. The last and final step is I'm going to pan fry it so that it's nice and crispy on the outside and still has that soft inside. And then we're gonna warm up our tortillas and then it's going to be amazing. All right, you guys ready? So I'm gonna open up a brand new batch of tortillas that my mom sent me because corn tortillas are hard to find in Macau. And so she sent me these all the way. These are some well-traveled tortillas. These tortillas traveled more than I did in 2020. I promise you that.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
This guacamole salsa, so good. So delicious. Ready for yours?
Mm-hmm.
You have to wait. Let me finish my taco.
Okay lang.
Tell everyone we'll see them next time.
Yeah, but don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.